Yeah, hi Lassie. It's Mark in UK. Just to let you know, I've done your other laser. Very, very sorry for the delay in doing this, but yeah, basically they're all finished now. I've done this one. This is the last one, number 4, I think it is. So this one's done. So I'll just put it on for you. You can see it all working there. Yeah, hang on. Yeah, there you go. Right. Let me just turn that up so you can hear it. Yeah, so there you go, all working as it should. Basically with this one, all I've done, I've given it a good clean down, because it's quite a new one, to be honest with you. It's version 5 software, but it's relatively new, if you know what I mean. I changed the laser on it, common fault with these newer lasers as well. So basically I put a new laser on there, check the cogs, clean the micro switch, had a look around, looks pretty good. We shouldn't get any problems with it now. So that's ready to be shipped out now, all done and dusted. I'll get this in a bag and we're good to go. Just give me a shout when you want me to ship these out. Thanks again, and any problems, you got your 6-month warranty, no problems at all. Thank you very much.